What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Jeff. I'm the owner of RDRGear here in Salt Lake City, Utah, and today we're going to talk about one of our additional Safariland modifications, and that is our UBL belt mod. And if you don't know what that is, I'm going to give you a little detail. This might be redundant for some, others you probably don't know this. So a UBL hanger, this slot right here is 2¼ inches wide. It's designed for the traditional Safariland Duty belts. Many of us today are running a 1¾ inch wide belt. Maybe you're running one of our Enhanced Instructor belts or Enhanced Instructor Duty belts, or something similar to a 175 belt. If you put a 175 piece of webbing through those slots, you're still going to have some teeter-totter, some movement depending on how thick that belt is. This is an issue because if this is moving on your draw is wonky from the start. So again, having the ability to modify the start of the belt, then fix the draw, that's the benefit of a modification to your belt using the belt mod. So I'm going to give you a little rundown detail on how the belt mod installs and the benefits for each belt using a 1.5 inch webbing as well as a 175 webbing. So we're going to show you how the UBL belt mod works on 2 different width belts, because these do fit technically 2 different belts, including the original that the UBL is made for. If you do have one of our older UBLs, like so, these 2 holes right here, this was how we were making these, by screwing them into the back of the UBL and drilling holes into the UBL. If you had one of these and you wanted to upgrade it to one of these, you can. Unfortunately, the holes don't go away, so that's just a fact of life. But how this works basically is, if you look at the UBL belt mod, you'll see it's kind of tiered off right here. One direction is 1.5 inches for 1.5 inch belts. The other is for 175 inch belts. I'm going to put one on each and show you guys how that works. So basically, for a 175 belt, you'll lock one corner in like so, and you'll literally just snap it over. You'll hear it snap, and it's done. This is an injection molded ABS plastic. It's designed to flex, and you can take these off. But once they're on, they're kind of meant to stay on. That's why we sell these in 1 packs, 2 packs, and 3 packs. So you can get 1, 2, and 3, and they vary in price on the website. Basically, once it's on like so for the 175 belt, you'll now notice that when we put a 175 webbing through here, we now fill that gap space, and this corner edge is no longer an issue. So the belt no longer has that wiggle room. As before, with a standard UBL, you had this up and down movement. All right. So say, for example, you're a law enforcement officer and you maybe wear a 1/2 inch belt for the range use, or a SWAT guy, or just regular Joe, and you want to go to the range that day, and you run one of our 1.5 inch EDC belts. No problem by using a UBL. You'll take the UBL, take the belt mod, flip it upward to where the step is facing you. You'll flip it upside down. Snap it into place, push it down, and now we have a belt mounting spot of 1.5 inches. And then we have that space is filled now for 1.5 inch belt, right? So again, you have ability to have this fit a standard UBL with a 2¼ inch belt, an 1.5 inch belt, and a 1 3/4 belt. And again, these are a simple product. You'll get an instruction manual when you get it. You can get these in singles, 2s, and 3 packs. You can find these at RDRgear.com. If you have questions on this product, email us at info@rdrholsters.com. You can purchase it at rdrgear.com. You can find us on Instagram as well as Facebook. If you have my phone number, shoot me a DM. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. That helps us a lot, and eventually I'll be able to get me a new whip. So